What is up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today I wanted to show you guys what I got for Christmas. I did get some BMR suspension goodies, so before I install it, I just want to show you guys what I got in the box. So let's check it out. Man, I need to wash her. Engine bay's dirty, wheels dirty. She still looks good though. But all right, guys, let's check it out what I got in the box. I haven't made a video in a while just because the holidays. I've been hanging out with family and working, so I know you guys have been asking for another video. I've been a little busy, but I hope everyone had a great Christmas, Thanksgiving, and a Happy New Year. I hope you guys got some, car parts for Christmas. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got right here. All right, guys, I had to get out the box, but I want to show you. I did order the level 2 Cradle bushing lockout kit from BMR, and then also the adjustable Camber links right here. So hopefully this can help me with my suspension a little bit. I am sliding it, not too crazy. I know some guys will tell you you don't need suspension. Stock suspension on these newer Mustangs are pretty good, and even up to like 700 horsepower, you don't need suspension. They'll tell you just need a big tire and you should be good if you're just roll racing, which that's what I'm doing. I'm just roll racing. I'm not dig racing right now, but I am sliding a little bit. So I talked to my buddy Jay, and he suggested that I get these 2 items for like a starter kit. So this should help my wheel hop a little bit. Hopefully, stop the wheel hop, and hopefully these will help my traction. Try to get most of my tire, 100% of my tire on the ground. Like I noticed with my last Mickey's that only half of the tread was being used. I still had most of my tread on the outside, but all the inside was tore up. So hopefully, this BMR suspension kit can kind of get those tires 100% straight on the ground. So I'm about to head over to my buddy Jay, his house, and he's gonna help me install these. So I'm gonna try to bring you guys along and film. I know once I start installing stuff, I get carried away and forget to record everything. But yeah, man, we'll install this, and hopefully we can get some content, see if this helps or not. All right, guys, let's get it. I know I say it a lot, but that sound never gets old right there. Let me know down in the comments. I know a lot of you guys have more knowledge on these Mustangs and suspension in general. Somebody who's making about 700 horsepower, what would you suggest for a starter kit? I'm not trying to, spend thousands of dollars right now on full suspension, but let me know in the comments what you guys would get right off the bat for suspension, besides a tire. Also, let me know down in the comments, who do you think is better, BMR, Steeda? Who do you guys think is better for, drag suspension, or especially roll racing specifically? I know I've seen a lot of people say you got to go with Steeda. Other people say BMR. So comment down below who you guys rock with. what's up, guys? So I did not get to record the car like I wanted to with the install for the BMR suspension. It ended up taking longer than we expected. Needed a couple extra tools that we had to run and get, so I did not get to record. My battery also died, so, but we did get it done. I feel like the car is kind of lifted up a little bit. I'm gonna do some runs, try to do a couple pulls, see if it feels better, see how the suspension feels. I'll make sure to record that for you guys. And I'm here at AutoZone. I had to pull up to see if I can get a new battery. My battery keeps dying for some reason. This is the second time that this battery has died this week, so I tested it when it first died. It tested good. Now it's died again, so I don't know. Might need a new one. I'm not driving the car every day, and it is cold out here in Vegas, but it's not cold enough to keep dying like this, so I'm not sure. We're gonna go in and check it out, and then after that, I will bring you guys along, and we'll get some pulls in with this new BMR suspension. Let's get it. All right, guys, just got done with AutoZone. They did do a full battery test, alternator, the battery, all that. So he said everything passed, everything tested good. So I guess I do not need a new battery, but it's just a little still weird. I think my my thoughts are maybe that this LRX device is drawing power while the car is off. So maybe I need to unplug it whenever I'm parked for the night. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, guys. Anybody who has the LRX, do you guys leave it plugged in whenever you're parked, especially if you're parked for a long time? Like sometimes I won't drive this car for like a week and a half, so I'm not sure. The guy in AutoZone said maybe I need to start it more often, but I know I have friends that leave their cars parked for sometimes 2-3 weeks or more, so I don't think that should be enough for me to have my battery dying like this. So let me know in the comments. But let's go out to Mexico real quick. We're gonna cross the border, hit Mexico, and do a couple pulls and see what this suspension feels like. I'm gonna bring you guys along, so let's go. Oh yeah, she feels good. Roll these windows up. She feels good, man. I feel like, I mean, the tires are still a little cold, so I think a few more pulls and it'll hook a lot better. I want to kind of try it in second gear. That was third gear 60 roll, but yeah, so far so good. I feel like she's going more straight with the BMR suspension. But let's get try to get one more here in Mexico before we have to go back home. Yeah, she feels way better. God. All right, guys, I'm gonna try a little second gear 40 roll. See how she hooks. I don't think it'll be enough to hook on second, but let's see. a lot better. I spun a little bit, but usually I'd be all over the place. Way all over the place for a second gear like that. 40 roll, God. All right, guys. All right, guys, back from Mexico. Here at the gym. Pulled in, saw some Mustang guys. Had a park next to them. They're pretty cool. We got the dark horse. But yeah, man. Suspension feels good, I'll tell you that. Usually I'm spinning a lot more, especially when it gets cold at night like this, but it feels way better. Car's pretty hot right now. Just drove like 30 minutes back to my side of town. Well, back from Mexico, I should say. But yeah, guys, that should wrap up this video. You already know the deal. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep trying to pump these videos out for you guys. Keep showing you guys, you know, installations and reviews on parts like this for the BMR suspension. These two little pieces I ordered. It does the job pretty well. Got it for Black Friday for like 500 bucks. So, like I said, let me know in the comments what you guys would advise for your first parts to get. But I will see you guys in the next video. Like I said, please like and subscribe, guys. Peace.